What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HODL token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose the free stocks. That's it. So, let's start with the definition on their main page. HODL works on an autonomous frictionless yield farming and liquidity generation protocol. Simply hold HODL tokens in your wallet and you will get more. In addition to this, you will also earn daily rewards in BNB. Accumulating wealth was never this simple. And let me show you main feature of this token. And here it is. Earn BNB by holding HODL. 4% of every transaction is taken and redistributed to all HODL holders in BNB. Accumulate BNB by holding the HODL token. And the second main feature that is quite unique, in my opinion, is right here, inbuilt anti-whale mechanism. Transactions that trade more than 1% of the total supply will be rejected. Whales who make transfer between two wallets that is larger than 1% of the total supply will be charged 1 BNB, which will further be donated to charities. So, in my opinion, these 2 points are key points of this HODL token, and that's why it's quite unique in this manner. So, and let's continue with some numbers of this token. For now, its total tradable volume is $3.17 million, and it's down for about 33% during last 24 hours. And let me show you historical data. So right here you can see that we have a constant decline in volume for about $47 million to $8.5 million, and this means we don't have much interest to this coin for now among all the users, among all the holders, and among all the new potential holders of this token. And let's continue with their official Twitter. They have 34,000 followers. And they added, since I made my previous video on May 31st, about 8,000 followers. So, this is just a retweet, just a funny video about HODL. Next one, 250 trillion HODL tokens are now burnt, 25% of the supply, and 0.5% of every transaction will keep getting burned. By the way, let me show you this information. We are on BSC scan, and right here you can see that they have more than 70,000 addresses that are holding HODL token for now, and last time it was about 50,000 addresses. And right here we can see that they already burnt more than 25%, 25.1% of total supply. Let's continue with their official Reddit thread, and right here we have information about 70,000 hodlers. Well, BNB rewards are hodls through identity. Please reduce charity and reflection to 0. So, okay. Next one, again, screenshot from BSC scan, nothing interesting. And basically nothing more to add to the fundamentals, and that's why let's continue to the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. So I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that this formation might break either way, and if we will break it to the upside with the conviction of volume, our targets might be that I mentioned in my previous video, and also we have a possibility to break this formation to the downside. And as you can see, we broke it with the conviction of volume. Right here you can see rather good volume, and on top of that we have a retest from the bottom of this line, and it's very common that we have this type of price action. This is also a signal to sell this position, because in this case we have more chances to go down, and basically it happened. And I've told you, if we would break 0.5 level, and we broke it, we might hit 0.618, 0.65 levels as most probable level of trend reversal. And what do we have here? We hit it to the tick 0.618 level, then had a huge bounce back, to the level of 0.382, but then with the total negative sentiment on the market and with the lack of news, we hit again this level and a little bit pocket through, then had another reaction, and then we fell off the cliff, and right here we land at this level at about 0. Plenty of zeros, $677. So, and let me show you one more interesting fact. If you do your own technical analysis, you can always find different patterns, and usually these patterns works. And let me show you, for example, this one. I pull this, I take this tool, it is a parallel channel, and make this assumption that we have this channel, and as you can see, it perfectly worked. We have this touch at the lowest point, this touch again of our higher resistance, next support, again resistance, and then we poke it through again with the conviction of volume, as you can see right here, retest it from the bottom. This is the signal when you have to sell your position, if you have it, and then we hit this level, and for now we have this sideways price action. And for now, I think we are awaiting of news. Good news or bad news, it doesn't matter. So, and let me show you one more interesting coincidence. Basically, nothing is coincidental in technical analysis, but nevertheless, right here we have this level of support, and it's pretty much worked right here. Let me show it to you more thoroughly. So, we hit it, bounce back, hit this support slash resistance from the bottom, and then poke it through. So as you can see, it is very technical and basically nothing to add. And with this price action, I think for now you understand how important my 3 rules are. So let me remind you these rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And let me show you potential levels of support and resistances. First of all, we have to break this small support slash resistance. For now, it acts as a resistance. And let me show it to you. And we have to hold this line. So we have rather small range between these two lines, and if we will break it to the downside, it might indicate that we might have a significantly lower price, and if we will break it to the upside, we have next potential resistance slash support, and it is right here. Next one might be at this level. So as you can see, we have only wicks above this line and the bodies are below it, so it might act as a next potential resistance. And basically I think for now that's it. We have to break these 3 resistances in order to establish new uptrend, and let me remind you that uptrend is when you can see higher highs with higher lows. And after that, if this level will be the lowest point, we might project more general targets. And basically that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case you won't miss my next video, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!